Morning, chestnuts. Today is our last pre-recorded learning journey lesson before we're back together next week. How exciting. You've worked so hard with your Leon on the Place Between work over the past few weeks. And today you're going to be doing something a little bit different based on what you wrote yesterday. So we're going to answer the question, can I project and change my tone of voice? To be successful today, you're going to learn your piece of descriptive writing. You're going to practice changing your tone of voice for effect, and you're going to perform your work and record it if possible. For the past 2 days, you've been writing descriptions about your version of the place between. You've used prepositions, adverbs, and expanded noun phrases in your work, and it's been so lovely reading over what you've done and how you've focused on our grammatical features and your non-negotiables in your writing. Today we're going to perform our descriptive pieces of writing. So the first thing we're going to look at is our tone of voice. Now, a tone of voice is not what you say, but how you say it. And this encompasses not only the words you choose, but their order, rhythm, and pace. What you're going to be doing today is using your voice and changing your tone of voice depending on the mood that you want to create with your piece of descriptive writing. Now, the first task we're going to do is have a look at how many different tone of voices can you use. So what I'd suggest you do is pause the video at this point. And you've got 10 different statements here or questions. And what I want you to think about is if you change your tone of voice, what mood does it make? An example might be, let's look at the let me drive the bus. So you might want to do it as you're really excited. Let me drive the bus. Or maybe you're a bit angry. Let me drive the bus. Or maybe you're a bit sad. Let me drive the bus. So do you see what I've done there? I've changed my tone of voice. And what it does is it makes the mood of that sentence sound a little bit different, whether you're happy, angry, or sad, for example. So pause the video and have a go yourself. It's quite a fun task, I think. Now, when reading work out loud, you need to think about what mood you want to create, which is why we did that task before. Now, with our book, Leon and the Place Between, we want it to sound quite mysterious and magical, because obviously when Leon goes into the box, we're not really sure where he's going to end up. So what you need to do is think how your tone of voice might change in order for your descriptions to sound mysterious and magical. Are you going to maybe speak a bit slower? Are you going to make more impact when you use a full stop and have a pause? It's something to really consider with your writing. So what your task is going to be today is you're going to video yourself reading your piece of writing out loud. What you might want to do is do this a few times and vary your tone of voice each time and see how it changes the meaning or the impact of your writing. Then what you're going to do is carefully upload onto Dojo your most powerful, magical recording. And what you might notice there is I've used an adverb, a preposition, and an expanded noun phrase in that sentence, which is what we've been working on. So I think this is a really exciting task, and it's a really lovely way to end what we've been doing before next week, because you get to really think about your writing. What you might notice is as you keep reading it out loud, you might want to edit some of your writing again, and it'd be lovely to see how you did that based on how you were reading your work. So I can't wait to either hear or see, or just you write me a little description about how you found this task. And I will then see you later. Bye, chestnuts.